As a comprehensive intelligent tester, iSmart EV P03 integrates new energy vehicle battery pack detection and vehicle system detection functions. Different from iSmart EV P01, this device also integrates various functions such as oscilloscope, multimeter, insulation test and current clamp, covering common measurement requirements in new energy battery pack maintenance scenarios, so as to realize efficient detection of new energy vehicles. The battery pack detection function of iSmart EV P03 supports the original factory inspection level detection of battery packs of various brands. It also supports special connector connection, fast charging port connection, jumper connection, and OBD connection. The 4 battery pack detection methods provide users with more choices. It can also perform full system and whole system testing on new energy vehicles, and supports functions such as reading/clearing battery pack fault codes, data streams, action tests, and special functions. The built-in battery pack detection software supports battery pack detection by car brand or battery manufacturer, and users can enter the battery pack detection function more quickly, and has covered more than 95% of new energy vehicle models, and is continuously being updated. In addition, the 4 commonly used measurement functions of oscilloscope, multimeter, insulation tester and current clamp can all be activated with one button on the device, satisfying users' efficient and convenient use experience in daily maintenance scenarios. This is the end of the introduction of iSmart EV P03, a comprehensive detector for new energy vehicles. Welcome to follow the official WeChat account of SmartSafe EV for more information on maintenance equipment for new energy vehicles. See you next time.